Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials and the first actionable step. Open Settings and tap your name to confirm you're signed into the correct Apple ID. Once signed in, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network and plug in if battery is low. Syncing can take time. Next, go to iCloud and toggle contacts on. When prompted, choose Merge to combine local contacts with iCloud. This ensures iCloud holds the master copy before you proceed to the next steps. Now you'll complete the core syncing actions on the iPhone itself. After enabling contacts in iCloud, wait and then open the Contacts app. Pull down to refresh so the app requests the latest iCloud data. Make sure Contacts is set to show iCloud in groups. If you recently added contacts elsewhere, give iCloud a few minutes to propagate. Syncing is incremental. If you need to force a refresh, toggle contacts off and back on in iCloud settings, and finish by confirming your contacts match on iCloud. And on the iPhone, this verifies the sync completed. If you don't see expected contacts, update iOS and restart the iPhone, because software updates and reboots often fix syncing glitches. Also confirm two-factor authentication didn't block iCloud access and sign in again if needed. As a safeguard, enable iCloud backup so your contacts are preserved automatically. If problems persist, sign out of iCloud and sign back in, which often resolves stubborn sync conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.